Alrighty, well, let's get started with our 2020-21 Topps Clearly Authentic Baseball Random Player One Box Break number one. Just like with all of our random player breaks, we list everybody in random.org in the order of which they purchased their spots. We will randomize that list 5 times and then match that up against an alphabetical player list from the product. Good luck, everybody. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, and lucky number 5. And we've got 3894 in the top spot and DeLost Dodds in the bottom spot. So we will just blow this list up. I'll cut and paste our list to the right and sort by everyone's eBay IDs. And then we'll scroll through our list so everybody can see who they have. I know there's a few folks in this break who are breaking with us for the first time. So if you happen to be watching on the live stream and have any questions, by all means, please put those in the chat. Alrighty. Now that we have been through our list, let's open our box and see who we get. And, ooh, Luis Castillo, and that is a 1986 retro, and I believe that is the black version, serial numbered 33 of 75. Very cool. Love the 86 design. A lot of fun. All right, so let's go to our list and see who won this card. And it goes to Doc MPJ. Congrats on that, Milani. Congrats on that. Take another quick look at that. Very nice. Well, alrighty. That concludes our 2021 Topps Clearly Authentic Baseball Random Player One Box Break number one. Thanks to everybody that joined us in the live stream for the break this evening. Thanks to everyone who bought spots in the break as well. And we'll be back in just a few minutes with our 2019 Topps Chrome Update Baseball Random Team 1 Mega Box Break number 3. Thanks again, everybody.